In this video, we are going to look at application of radical equations, and we're going to focus on the algebraic method, although these same problems can be done using graphical method. So the first one, we are told we have a 10-foot ladder leaning against the wall. So we're going to sketch it here. So suppose that's the ladder, it's 10 foot, and we are told how far is the bottom of the ladder from the wall. So we are looking at this distance when the ladder reaches a height of 8 feet. And here, this will make an angle of 90 degrees. So we could use Pythagorean theorem. So I write here x squared plus 8 squared is equals to 10 squared. So here we get x squared is equals to 100 minus 64. So we get x squared is 36. So that means x is the square root of 36, which is going to be 6 feet. And I want you to note that this can only be positive since the height cannot be negative. So on this next example, we are given the average profit of a company in millions per month from 2001 to 2008 can be modeled using the equation where x is the number of years since 2000. In what year will the profit be 12 million? So here we have the equation. I'm going to relate it. So we're going to get 5.5. And this is 1.8 x plus 1.07. And we are looking for x. So here we are looking for what is x. And what are we given? P, we are given y. And okay. By the equation, we are given, so here y is equals to 12 million, and we just need to find what the value of x is. So we write 12 is equals to 4.5, and then here we have square root of 1.8 x plus 1.07. And here I'm going to divide by 4.5. See, that's gone. And then I can raise this to power 2, an index of 2. And when I do that, what do I get? So here I get 12 over 4.5. And I could simplify that, or I wait until the end is equals to 1.8x plus 1.07. And then here I'm going to have 12 over 4.5 squared. I subtract 1.07. And then whatever I get, I'm going to divide by 1.8, which is equals to x. And this is going to give me, when I put this in the calculator, I should get 3.356. But this is not the answer. Remember, the answer is asking me in what year. And this is about 3.35. So, and this is the number of years since 2000. So this is going to be in 2000 and, so it is past 2003. So it's going to be in 2004. So that is the year, because it's going to be 2003, end of 2003, so between 2003 and 2004. Okay, now we go to the next one. And in this next problem, we are told the radius can be expressed in this equation. V is the volume. If the air is pumped to inflate the balloon to 800, so here we know V is 800. And what else do we know? We also, so what is the radius? So we are looking for radius. So all I need to do is, I do radius is going to be cube root of 3 times 800, and then I'll be dividing by 4 pi, and when I put this in the calculator, I should get about 5.8 inches, and that's to 1 decimal place. So we go to the next one. The formula for the demand of a product is given by the equation, and we are told X is the number of units demanded and P is the price. What is the demand if the price is 35? So P is equals to 35. So I'm going to write the equation. So 35 is equals to 40 minus 0.001x plus 1.2, and then I just need to find x. So how do I do that? So I'm going to subtract 40. I subtract 40, and then I get negative 5 is equals to negative square root of 0.001 plus 12. And then I can divide by negative 1. So when I divide by negative 1, note that that becomes positive. And then I'm going to square. I square that, and then what do I get? So I forgot to put x right there. So I get 525 is equals to 0.001x plus 12. So then I do 25 minus 12 over 0.001. Actually not 12 but 1.2. This is 1.2. Let me fix it. So 1.2 is 12 minus 1.2, and this should give me 2. This should give me 23800. And what are the units? And these are, what is this representing? So these are units, and those are the units demanded.